What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we got another reaction video. I told you guys I was going to bring you guys some more reaction videos. You're not going to believe some of the stuff these people say, man. And the way their mentality is about these cars, guys. Like, people are crazy. Like, crazy. Let's get into this video, man.
You guys could never make me drive a beater. 100%, I would take a car payment over buying a $5,000, $10,000 car cash any day of the week. Or should I say month? Because yes, I make my car payment every.
See what I'm saying? That's the mentality of a lot of young folks that don't get it. There's nothing wrong with driving a beater. And that's why I try to stress to my boys and I stress to my daughters when they first got their cars, hey, I'm not buying you no $40,000 car for your first car and now you stuck with a $600-700 car payment. I paid cash for all their cars they had when they were younger.
Month. For example, right now I'm driving my dad's 2015 Tacoma. I'm getting some work done on it. Nice car, nice, solid, reliable car.
Yep.
I don't want to have to go in my bag and dig for my keys to unlock the door and then start the car.
See what I'm saying? Now, what kind of nonsense is that, guys? She don't want to have to go in her bag and get her keys to unlock the door. Craziness.
Hi, I'm Carrie. We put down $12,000. We're paying $1,700 a month.
Wow. Oh my God. $1,700. Oh my goodness, bruh. Ain't no way I can pay $1,700 a month for a Hellcat. That's a Durango Hellcat. So them joints like $100,000. Ain't no way, Slim. And I mean, now don't get me wrong, them joints are nice, but there's no way I can see me paying $1,700 a month. But again, you gotta pay to play, and I ain't trying to play because I'm damn sure ain't trying to pay those $1,700 a month. That's crazy.
Wow, that's cool.
It's nice though.
A $1,400 car payment, it's not bad. Depending on the car and depending on your situation. A lot of people be caught up in, oh my gosh, you pay that much a month, I could pay that in rent. Bro, you don't make any money.
I mean, I get it, but still, bro.
You just don't make no money.
That's a lot of money.
If you want a nice car, nice car, Corvette, Hellcat, whatever, Benz, what you think the payment gonna be?
I mean, see, the problem is it's not just about the payment. You got to think about insurance, maintenance, just everyday driving a car. You know, like I say, tires. These people, man, that's crazy.
You can't afford it, just don't get it. That's where the disconnect is.
How
people
works,
make
bro.
$2,500 a month and got a $1,400 car payment, then that's a little different. But if you make $8,000 and above, get the car you want. It's not making any sense.
I don't mean to keep stopping the video, guys, but I kind of get what he's saying. I mean, sometimes you got to live a little bit, and I get it, but $1,400 a month is a lot, Slim. And I think you got to be making $20,000 a month to, you know, pay $1,400 a month. Because you got to think about all your other expenses, and a lot of people don't think about that. They just get emotional and wrapped up in the car they want, and they end up signing up for something they really can't afford. And we're going to see what happens when you sign up for car payments and you can't afford it. It's coming up. Stay tuned.
Stop pocket watching.
Pocket watch.
Well, I damn sure did not force his ass to take the payment. He took the payment, told me he needed a little money down.
$1,000 a month.
Boy, I tell you, these folks.
Well, scat.
Y'all
That's
take
a
care
narrow
of him
body.
now. Y'all take care of him because I told his ass his payments was going to be $1,800 a month on that scat pack. Now they wheeling his ass up on out of here.
Now that man in the ambulance,
It's about a bitch. He the one wanted it. I ain't force him. I ain't put a gun to his head and tell him to buy that car.
That's crazy. God,
y'all take care of him now. We'll see his ass next week to collect the rest of the down payment. Yeah, I didn't force it. I didn't force him to sign up on graded to buy no car. They paid me $1,800.
Golly.
See you later.
$1,800 for a scat? Oh no. That's out of control, Slim. Ain't no way. And that's a narrow body.
That's what happened. Y'all come sit down in front of him. Y'all want these scat packs?
What's going on, folks? It's your boy Steve-O got me rolling. Today I got my man Tim here, approved on this 22 Chrysler 300S. Only $700 down, first time buyer. How was your experience here today?
See, that's the problem right there. $700 down, $900 a month, bruh. First time car buyer, he should have like a Camry or a Honda. There's no way he should have a car that's gonna cost him that much a month. He can't be making that much a month as far as his paycheck. That's crazy.
My experience was good, man. Y'all come holler to my boy Steve-O. He gonna get you right.
Congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Here you go.
Prime
If you're in the
example.
market for a vehicle and you don't know where to start, all you need is your ID, piece of mail, and your name. Go ahead and shoot me a DM at Steve-O got me rolling. We'll get you rolling off today.
Prime example. Don't
What's
do
up, y'all? Back at the
something
Repo Lot,
just to do it.
checking out a few cars for tomorrow's auction. Let me show you guys what they have.
Look at these repos.
First one up is this 2021 Range Rover Sport.
Wow.
It's got the red interior with the black accents. Really nice car. However, it appears to be damaged quite significantly from the front here.
That's
It's got a
nice.
bit of undercarriage damage. Don't know what went on with this car, but really nice car. It only has 20,000 miles. But
Wow.
we got this 2022 Ram 1500. It's got some bedside damage. Tires are cooked.
Probably don't even care. Just like forget it.
Think about that. This is a 2-year-old car, y'all, and it's got this much damage. It's crazy.
And that's just a regular.
It's got cigarette burns in the seats.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is inside, but again, completely cooked on the inside and out.
Wow.
New BMW
BMW.
X6. These cars are expensive and depreciate like hotcakes.
Yep.
If you buy them new, this one's got 72,000 miles.
But see, guys, it's like on my other video I told y'all, it's more brands, people getting their cars repossessed than just Dodge. Now, yeah, they do have a Dodge Ram, but it's more than Dodge customers who's having their cars repossessed. People always want to say, oh, it's Dodge this, Dodge that. It's all types of people who having their cars repossessed, especially right now.
Peanut butter interior. Doesn't look too bad on the inside,
That's
but
super nice.
got this Range Rover
Another
SVR.
Range
Probably one
Rover.
of my favorite daily drivers. It's got the 5.0 supercharged V8. Super nice interior.
They must be just
One
handling
of my
them
favorite
joints
cars out there. Got this interesting
Corvette.
looking
Oh,
C8
man, C8
Corvette.
jump.
Looks like it has a wrap. Wheels.
Wow.
Interior is completely cooked as well on this. They put monies in the wrap.
That's
Put
terrible,
money in the
man.
wheels, tires, and couldn't pay their car note. We got a
Wow.
2019 Escalade.
Escalade.
Honda Accord. Everybody was saying that they never see Hondas, they never see Toyotas, but sure enough, there's plenty of these.
Yeah,
See,
see
all
what
these
I'm
cars are
saying?
new. They're not old cars, right? Got this Hyundai Sonata,
All
Cadillac
brands.
CT4,
Look at that.
Volkswagen Jetta.
They ain't
There's
just
that Range Rover at
Dodge.
the end of the video, Nissan Altima. Crazy, crazy cars. And these,
Wow.
all these cars are all in the repos. These are not the same cars from last time. And they keep continue coming in because nobody's budgeting correctly.
Yep.
Everybody's spending over their means, and they just can't afford these high interest payments, these high monthly loans. So yeah, just make sure you guys budget correctly. Don't overspend on what you can't afford.
Facts.
And if y'all do, unfortunately, your car's gonna end up on this lot. So yeah, guys, make sure you budget correctly. And if you're interested in any of these cars, hit me up. Buy with Gus at Legacy Motor Cars.
Wow.
I heard you looking for repos. I got
Yeah.
you. Here you go.
My man, you suck.
Look at this mother trucker right here.
But there it is, guys. Like I told y'all, it's not just Dodge customers who have their cars repo. As you can see, that's a lot full of all different types of brands. Toyotas, Kias, Hondas. So guys, I just thought this would be a good video to react to. Leave your comments. Let me know what y'all think. I got plenty more videos coming out. I appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.